Welcome to my channel. In this video I will discuss question number 3 of exercise 1.4. In this question he said find a matrix X. We have to find out this X such that 4X is equal to this square matrix. The elements are 1 2 1, 4 2 3, negative 1 9 7, and we have to find out X. So first of all, we'll write solution. The given matrix is 4x. We have to write down this, and we name this matrix as equation number 1. Now what we have to find? We have to find out x. So here we have 4x. We have to find out x. So we have to divide 4 on both sides. So 4x divided by 4 equals to 1 by 4. Divide mean 1 by 4. And this matrix. Now this 1 by 4 is also a real number, so we have to multiply it with every and all elements of this matrix, each and every elements. Okay, so this 4 will be cancelled by this divide 4, and we got x. So 1 by 4 will be multiplied it by 1 2 3 1 4 2 3 negative 1 9 and 7. So we have to multiply this with every element, and 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, 1 by 4. 2 into 1 is 2, 2 by 4. 1 into 1 is 1, 1 by 4. 4 into 4 ones are 4 and divided by 4. 2 1 is 2 divided by 4. 3 1 is 3 divided by 4. Negative 1 into 1 is 1. Negative 1 divided by 4. 9 1 is 9 divided by 4. 7 1 is 7 divided by 4. 1 by 4 with the same. 2 by 4. 2 1 is 2. 2 2s are 4. So it will be 1 by 2. 1 by 4. 4 and 4 will be cancelled out. 1 by 2, because 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4. 3 by 7, negative 1 by 4, 9 by 4 and 7 by 4. This is our solution. In the next question, the examiner is saying if A is a matrix, the order of this matrix is 3 cross 2, and B is also in order to 3 cross 2. So he's saying find 3A minus B. So we have to find out 3A minus B. We will write this, and in next step, first of all we will write both matrices and name them as equation 1 and 2. Now if you see the equation was 3A minus B. We have to find out this. So we have to multiply matrix A with 3, not matrix B with any number. So multiplying 3 on both sides of equation 1, 3A is equal to 3, and that matrix A 1 2 3 4 5 6 the elements are. So this 3 will be multiplied with each and every elements of this matrix. 1 3 is 3, 2 3 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15, and 6 3s are 18. So the elements are 3 6 9 12 15 and 18. This is our new matrix 3A. You can name this as equation number 3. Now we have to subtract equation 2 with this. So we have to write down 3A minus B, or the equation given in the question. So 3A minus B is equal to 3A solution is 3 6 9 12 15 18 negative minus this matrix B, minus 3 minus 2 1 minus 5 4 and 3. Now we have to write down 3A minus B equals to 3 minus minus 3, 6 minus minus 2, 9 minus 1, 12 minus 5, 15 minus 4, 18 minus 3. I have to write down this. Now 3 minus into minus will be plus, 3 plus 3, minus into minus plus 6 plus 2, 9 minus 1 is 8, 12 minus into minus plus 5, 15 minus 4 is 11, 18 minus 3 is 15. Now in the last step, 3A minus B is equal to 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 17 11 5. Hope you enjoy my channel. Please share it and subscribe my channel. In the next lecture I will discuss further questions of exercise 1.3, question number 5, 6, 7 and 8. and in next videos I will discuss each and every questions of this exercise, and next inshallah we will discuss other questions and topics of mathematics. Hope you enjoy my channel. Please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thanks.